Welcome back to Omega Language Academy. This is your German A1 course, that is course for beginners. And today we have session 14. This session is all about hobbies again, revision, but with conversations. Earlier we had just sentences, now we have conversation along with revision. And remember, if you want to contact us, you know where to go for. You can contact us using this email ID or this phone number. They are also mentioned in the description. So don't forget to write us a mail if you need any help. This is just a revision, so I'm going to go quickly. You have seen this in previous session. Cooking is kochen. Going for a movie is ins Kino gehen. To chat is chatten. To swim is schwimmen. Some of them are very similar, okay? To travel is reisen. S and E become Z, reisen. To sing is singen. Then we have to jog is Joggen, not Joggen, though J is pronounced as Y. This is an exception. To photograph is Fotografieren. A little bit hard to pronounce, but this is the way it is. And they don't write PH there, they write F. So please notice that. To listen to music, Musik hören. Not music, it's Musik hören. To play is spielen. To read is lesen. I hope all of them are clear. Finally, to read is lesen till here. If they're not, write them down again, practice them. Now comes conversation using the hobbies or related to hobbies. Previously, we had sentences related to hobbies. Okay? So the conversation one goes like this. Hello, which is hallo. Do you like jogging? Joggen Sie gern? Joggen Sie gern means, do you like doing jogging? So it's an activity, that's why we use gern. Okay? Joggen Sie gern? Yes, a lot. And you? Ja, sehr gern. I like doing it gladly a lot. So this is gladly a lot. Sehr is a lot. I mean, much, very much. So very is sehr and gern is like gladly. Und Sie is and you? No, not so much. Nein, nicht so gern. It's clear now. So, it's so. Not is nicht gern. Again, not like doing it much. Nein, nicht so gern. Now the next one is, do you like going to movies? Now let's see the translation. Gehen Sie gern ins Kino? Do you go or gladly go to movies? This gern is gladly. Gehen Sie gern ins Kino? See, if you don't understand the structure of the German sentences, it's okay. We will have a session of understanding the structure itself. Here we are just understanding or trying to remember words like Kino, gehen or gehen ins Kino, to go for movies. This is a way to remember vocabulary rather than just listening to words and remembering them. At least you will get some words, right? That's the logic. Then we have it's okay and you? Es geht. See, es geht is used to show not much interested, but it is okay. So it's an average. Es geht is like it's okay, it goes kind of. Es geht, und Sie. Und Sie is and you. By now you must be knowing this and you because we have repeated it many times. Okay, conversation 1 is already over. We discussed some of the, questions and answering them. Now we have conversation 2. Are we going for a movie? Direct question. Yes or no question. Gehen wir ins Kino? This is the German part of that. Whenever we have direct question, we will have a session. But now I'm going to give you a hint. Always put the main verb first. So we have going. That comes first. Gehen. Gehen means to go. Gehen wir ins Kino? Are we going for the movie? Okay, we don't use are here. Are is sind. You know that. But we don't put it here because it's a rule. If it is yes, no question, main verb comes first like gehen. Yeah, sure. When? Yeah, gehen. Wann? Yes, sure. When? So yeah. Now we have sure literally means sicher, but we're not going to use it here. Yes, gladly is also a way to say that, but people generally don't say that. Yeah, sicher. Are you sure about that? Then we say, yeah, sicher. So that is, yes, I'm sure. Here, this is, yeah, sure, I'll go gladly. So we say, ja, gern, rather than the word sicher, which is S-I-C-H-E-R. Okay? The real word for sure is sicher. When is wann? You already know this one. On Sunday. See, this is conversational German, so we don't know form full sentence. or you call it colloquial English or colloquial German, we just say in words, like we say water. That means do you want water? So on Sunday, am Sonntag, right? Am Sonntag is on Sunday. No, unfortunately, I cannot make it. Nein, das geht leider nicht. Now, can you guess where this word unfortunately comes in the sentence? Definitely leider, because all of them, you know, nein, no, das, that, goes not. Goes not means it doesn't go well with me. Das geht leider nicht. No, I cannot come, unfortunately. So this is also a phrase, if somebody asks you something, you can directly say it, nein, das geht leider nicht. I cannot do that. So try to remember it fully rather than each word. Then we have on Saturday. Somebody, if they are really eager to be with you, they say, ask you next question. Am Sonntag, am Samstag instead of Sonntag. Samstag is Saturday. Yes, great. Yeah, super. Super is like, sure, great. Super is similar to word English, like great or super. Yeah, super. But S and U, because of vowel, we call it Z sound instead of S sound. So, super. And this was your session 14. I know there's a lot of information to digest, but we are getting a little bit higher in the level. So you have to sit down, at least work for 1 hour in a day to remember the words, practice, and try to form sentences by yourself. Great. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understood something new. We'll see you again. Have a nice time. Goodbye.